A Pakistani official on Tuesday welcomed the hybrid rice seed donation from China, saying it will play a major role in rebuilding the agriculture sector of Pakistan's southwest Balochisthan province, which was badly affected by devastating floods last year.
Last year we had terrible floods. Our areas were devastated. 85 to 90% of Balochisthan was affected by the floods. Today the seeds are going to be sent to revive the rice plantations. Because the whole of that area is dependent on rice, I am thankful to the government of China for reaching out and helping us.
Highlighting the friendship between the two countries, Baozhong, Counselor of Political Affairs of the Chinese Embassy in Pakistan, said the China-Pakistan friendship is deeply embedded in the hearts of the two peoples.
China has a lot of experience to share, a lot of technology to transfer, and also a lot of potential to work with Pakistan. So the government of China will try our best to encourage and also to set up the frameworks for our agricultural cooperation under the CPEC framework.
Launched in 2013, CPEC is a corridor linking Pakistan's Gwadar port with Kashgar in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, which highlights energy, transport, and industrial cooperation.